Meaning of elderberry.
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 Elderberry. Elderberry refers to the fruit of the elder tree. It is a small, dark purple berry that is commonly used in herbal medicine for its potential health benefits. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which may help to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and protect against chronic diseases. They are also believed to have antiviral properties and may be effective in treating colds and flu. Elderberry can be consumed in various forms, including juice, tea, syrup, or supplements. Overall, elderberry is a popular natural remedy with promising health benefits.